Dementia Researcher with a blog and a rating.
Journal clubs. How can I set one up? Journal clubs are a great way to keep on top of new research evidence, come together and catch up with one another, and build knowledge and capacity. For the past few years, I've been running a journal club for our dementia group here at the University of Liverpool. We meet once a month in person, with one of our members picking a recent paper and presenting and discussing this. The beauty of a journal club is that we can share our opinions about a paper and critically analyse it. And recently, we've been joined by 3 public advisor researchers, Emma, Sue and Annie, all of whom are unpaid carers for someone with dementia. Seeing how they are starting to critically analyse academic papers and make very detailed observations is fantastic to see. So how to set up a journal club? Bearing in mind that they don't have to be situated within a group, department or institute. They can also be topic specific and allow workforce and those with direct experiences to join. Below are a few tips that should help you get started and hopefully maintain a journal club. 1. Book your room well in advance with good video equipment. I book our journal club several months in advance, always on the same day of the week, around lunchtime. Everyone gets a calendar invite so they know in advance when it's taking place, and I book the same room or one alternative room with the department administrators. Ideally, pick a room with a big TV screen so your presenter can show their slides properly. Talking about slides. 2. Organize presenters in advance. Each presenter can pick a recent paper they think would be good to discuss. Of course, they can also pick a few and we discuss which one to choose together. It's a great way for more junior researchers or workforce or public advisor researchers to build capacity and confidence in public speaking and in critically analysing evidence. We try and go around the group regarding who presents. Or if one of us finds a paper that particularly fits a certain group member's methodology, then we pass the paper on to them. Once you get new researchers and PhD students in the journal club, they can soak up the journal club air a few times before they would present a paper. After all, we're not cruel and don't let them swim without acclimatizing. 3. Pick a recent paper. As I mentioned above, try and pick a paper that's published, say, up to 18 months ago. This will allow everyone to try and keep on track with reading more recent evidence or catch up with a paper that might be on their to-read pile. We've had various topics in dementia so far, including music and dancing, hearing loss, overarching inequalities research, electronic health record linkage, ethnicity, and falls in older adults. It's a great way to learn more outside your immediate area of work also. 4. Let the discussion flow. After the PowerPoint presentation, usually about 10 or 15 minutes, depending, we have an open for all discussion around the table and see where it takes us. That means discussing what we like and criticize around a paper, if there is something to criticize, reflecting on the methodology used, the potential impact the findings could have, and the topic more broadly. There is no hand-raising like in Zoom or proper meetings. It's an open table discussion where everyone contributes. Hopefully, this encourages everyone to feel more confident in sharing their considered opinions also. And 5. Invite people outside the group to join. Whilst our journal club is within our Institute's Dementia Research Group, anyone with an interest in dementia is welcome to join us. We're now looking to be joined by Alzheimer's Society representatives, for example, as well as interns I'm working with, for example at Northwest Ambulance Service. It's a great way to get different opinions and experiences in the room, but also to ensure that the ivory tower is not an ivory tower, and accessible for people who wish to join. I hope these basic tips have given you an idea about setting up your own journal club. Once it's established, it's not that much work organizing it. It's getting people interested in attending and joining on a regular basis that makes the journal club fun to attend. And if you would like to come along to one of our monthly journal clubs sometime, just drop me an email.
Thank you for listening. Join the Dementia Research bloggers and share your own views.